How to log in into Amazon Chime account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can log in into Amazon Chime account. So without further delay, let's get started. In your device, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in app.chime.aws. Then press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to the login page. So here, first of all, you have to enter the email address that you use for meetings. After that, click on sign in or sign up button. Then you'll be taken into next login page. There you have to re-enter your email address associated with your Amazon account. After that, enter your password associated with your account, and if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be directly logged into your Amazon Chime account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.